If you're like me, your keyboard is full of dust, hair, and other unmentionable things. You kind of wish you could take a hose to it, but you don't want to ruin your investment. Well, look here. This is Aorus's new K9 optical water-resistant keyboard, and it's meant to be washed. So if you see here, it's just getting a constant flow of water. It's a mechanical keyboard which you can get with red or blue switches, and it's got 16.8 million RGB colors that you can change the backlight to. So this is a keyboard that you would use to game, but you can also clean it out. You can even dunk it underwater for a little bit, so you can get all that gunk out and then start playing all over again. This K9 Optical is due out in June for around $130 in the US. That's just a quick look here at Computex 2017. I'm Avram Pilch for Tom's Guide.